What's up? The date is currently October 31st. It's Halloween. And instead of going out, drinking at the bars, I am going kayaking. Granted, it's only, like 1 p.m. or something, but yeah, I'm kind of just testing out the new microphone. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys out in the water to see how this goes. Yep. 'Cause I'm just like you. Oh. Okay. Now that we got this, really gonna put this to the test. Damn, my hands are cold, man. Okay, like if it was like right here and I was like paddling, the wind just kind of drifted me away. We have set off. My hair won't stay still. I might need to put some water in it. Oh, okay. Mic working? I hope so. Man, yeah, so it's Halloween. Not really doing much. Just kind of drifting, coasting. Probably just gonna work. Man, recently graduated college. Graduated from Mizzou. Kind of just floating at the moment, not putting the degree to use, which I probably should be, but yeah, there's a part of me that's I feel like gonna have some FOMO from Como today, but this is also pretty nice, just being independent, doing my own thing, Just wanted to tune in to have a conversation with you guys. If I drown on camera, hopefully it goes viral, I don't even know what direction I'm going, but the sun is blinding me, dude. I knew I should have worn shades or something. The seat rest sucks, man. Let's try it again. Ooh. Oh, no, it went right back. I'll tune back in a second. I want to make sure that it's actually recording and I'm not just talking to myself completely. All right, it's looking good. I'm feeling good. We'll continue our journey. I had to make sure that the microphone was working. But yeah, man, I feel like 22, man. The next couple years, I feel like kind of just decides your pretty much the next 30, 40 years. The system does like a really good job at trapping you and keeping you complacent and stagnant. Yeah, and sometimes, like what my friend Fernando is going through, he doesn't think he wants to work for his company anymore, but he has to pay to exit. So they kind of keep you in that sense too. So I don't know if it's like I don't feel ready to, go and get a real job, or I kind of know that like once you do, you get stuck and trapped. Like the money is enticing for sure. Like I could go and just slave away and make like 80K a year, or 70, 60, but I don't know. There's a part of me that like values my freedom and time and unlimited creativity, not being like governed by someone just higher up than me. I'm just kind of in between right now. Kind of just been chilling, posting on YouTube and TikTok, promoting my shorts and my music. That's the time I've been on recently, and like I've been going down to Colombia. I want to go down and visit my friend Fern in KC before he like potentially moves. But yeah, I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm on a beautiful lake, just kind of talking to myself. I wish I could be live. That would be cool. The internet at my house is pretty much down. The download, like I'm really struggling to upload stuff because a phone wire went down. But yeah, I'll show you guys this house that I'm looking at right behind me. It'll be cool. I'm sure you can see it. Looks pretty nice. It's a beautiful day out. It really is. I'm just kind of, kayaking, trying to get a workout in. At the same time, just having a conversation with you guys. Let me know like what you'd want me to talk about sometime in the comments. I did a conversation with, I had a conversation with Tanner Trelliott. Maybe you guys saw that, maybe you didn't. But yeah, I feel like I'm going through a very pivotal time in my life right now. And each decision matters. I'm not sure which direction I want to go, but it does pain me a little bit, and maybe selfishly, that I don't want to go and work for someone else and put my hard work and my time into something just for someone else's path. Like I would almost rather make close to nothing and start to construct my path instead. I feel like that's the dream, not building someone else's dream. Yeah, I'm sure there's like a billion other people that are feeling like this right now, but just going through deep talks, having a conversation. Yeah. Wonder what everyone's gonna be for Halloween. Be cool to go out, see some friends, drink. But no, it's time to lock in. That's how I'm feeling right now. See a leaf like floating. It's cool. It's getting blown in the wind. Wonder if you guys can hear that construction going on. I am the only one out on this lake. It's kind of crazy that like I pretty much grew up on this lake from like a very young age. Now I'm just pretty much back living here full time, full circle. Went to college 4 years, came back. Yeah. Anyway, If you're looking for some new music, look up I Know by Buko on Spotify or Apple Music. It's on both platforms. It's also on YouTube and Amazon, iTunes, you know. We're everywhere. Check it out. You might like some of the music. I've gotten the songs at 4,000 streams right now. When it gets to 5,000, I'm going to release another song for the people. Man of the people, man. But yeah, just wanted to come out here and have a conversation. I'm going to start turning around. The sucky part is now that we're going to be going upstream, so I might have to paddle a little more. That's alright. It's a good workout. Just a conversation with Buko. My hair probably looks crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to come out. I am bored. October 31st, baby. Leaves are changing. Times are changing, for real. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind? How's that go? Trying to start again. I don't even know if that's how it goes. I feel like Gucci Mane in 2006. God, it's windy. I wonder if you guys can hear that wind, but you most definitely probably can. It's a good mic test. Good day to be out in the water. What are you doing on Halloween? Probably not anything productive like me. Kayaking and shit. Yeah, let me know what your costumes are or were. I was a Playboy pimp. I don't know what you'd call it. Maybe like Hugh Hefner. Yeah. Trying to think of what I was using. Oh yeah, the year before that I was a shark. Oh my god, it's so windy. It's so cold. The wind is so cold. The birds are starting to hover me. They think I'm like prey or something. I'm praying that I'm getting home. This wind is strong, bro. I'm barely moving, I feel like. Don't worry, guys. I got my life jacket in the kayak. You'd probably like to see me fall in, honestly. That would be funny. Who should I have a conversation with next? I was thinking Joe Biden or Elon Musk. I've been in contacts with them recently. God dang, it's cold. Yeah, I got them on speed dial. We sexed and shit. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, this was a bad idea. This was a very bad idea. Only one out here though. Can you see the island in the background? God. How's the island look? I used to make videos on that island when I was like 15, 16, I think. Ah, dude. This thing's so uncomfortable in my back. worried for my life right now, guys. Oh, God. Some guy messing with lumber over there or something. Should I just start saying some out-of-pocket stuff so he overhears me and thinks I'm like a psychopath or something? Probably not. I feel like that's not a good idea. Maybe he's a psychopath. You know what I should do is bring the drone up in the air and have it follow me while I kayak. That would be a cool shot. Trying to find other projects to work on. I started the A Conversation With project. Just kind of have a conversation with my friends or, you know, whoever's willing. But yeah, we'll see where that goes. It's kind of just fun to catch up with people. I want to start live streaming IRL. I feel like that would be really cool. Because I love to, you know, when like my friends and I would go on vacation together, I'm always the one that's recording, and I love editing that stuff together, and then I post it on YouTube as like a time capsule. But it'd be cool to see like the very live moment, like if you streamed your life just for like a couple hours a day, and then you can like look back on that. Like those are time capsules in and of itself. So yeah, let me know if you'd like to see some lives. It's crazy that Fuzi popped off like how he did with the IRL. I remember watching him for Fuzi Tube, and like not even that, but like dose of Fuzi, like everyday type. I don't know how he's doing. He's kind of been vacant, kind of been AFK a little bit. Yeah. All my friends are moving, man. Might be time to make my exit soon. On to that next chapter. If you guys are younger, you'll get here eventually. God damn. We're almost back. It's gotta be so windy. We're coming in hot. I'm coming in hot. Just like that, we're back. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments down below. This was just a conversation with Buko in the kayak. Alright guys, I'll let you go. Thanks for tuning in.